All right, Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we're working on a crankshaft pulley, also known as a harmonic balancer. Right here we have a good one, right here we have a bad one or one that's broken, and I want to show you guys how to fix this. But before we move on, if you can, please subscribe to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. I cover everything related to automotive, and if you can subscribe, if this video helps you out, or any of my videos help you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications every time I upload a video so you don't miss any of it, but it really helps me out. So, this came off a 1992 Honda Accord 2.2 liter, and while I was taking it off, it was already broken. The cover has wear marks on it, like it's been eaten through. Let me see if I can find that cover real quick. So there is the cover, and right there you can see this is worn through. So that crankshaft pulley has been damaged for a while. It's been rubbing there, ate all the way through there. The harmonic balancer has been busted for quite a bit of time. So I picked up the vehicle for a cheap price because it had a broken timing belt, and I've been slowly fixing it, replacing it, and getting new parts for it. And a new harmonic balancer is about $100, and that's almost half of what I paid for the vehicle. So I don't want to buy a new one. I'm going to try to save this one. And the way I'm going to do that is JB Weld, world's strongest bond. Great for household repairs, automotive, plumbing, marine, crafts, and more. Works on multiple surfaces: metal, wood, plastic, tile, PVC, ceramic, fiberglass, concrete, and more. I picked this up from O'Reilly Auto Parts. They have a quick dry one, I believe, as well. But I decided to go with this one because I'm not in a real big rush for it to set up. Strength is 3,960 psi. Set time is 4 to 6 hours. Cure time is 15 to 24 hours. And cure color, dark gray. So I don't really care about that. I don't care about what color it is. There are all the instructions. If you want, just hit pause right now so you can see all of them. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to clean this up. So right here, or where the laser's hitting at right there, that's rubber. There's a thin rubber seal that goes all the way around it. Then you have this steel band. This is all steel. There's no rubber on here. On this good one, on this one that's intact, the rubber seal is right there. Okay? So I'm going to try to clean this up as well as possible. I'm going to get a piece of sandpaper or a file and try to file this down, give it some kind of an edge to bite onto the JB Weld. So I'm just going to fast forward this real quick, but I'm going to clean this up with some brake clean, and then I'll sand the other side. The only bummer part about this is the fact that these are actually, I want to say clocked, but they're balanced at a specific location, and I don't know what that location is because it was already broken when I got the vehicle. So when I did take it off, I spray painted it with yellow spray paint just so I could remember kind of roughly where it came off at. And then also, if you notice here, so check this too, on the outer ring, one side is higher than the other. You guys can see that. One side is actually higher than the other side. So just make note which side is higher if there's a difference on your specific crankshaft pulley harmonic balancer. So let's clean this thing up, and I'll show you what to do. You want to make sure that's oil free before you put it on the JB Weld, so that the JB Weld has a proper bonding surface to adhere to. So I use the file, go around all the edges, try to get any contaminants left off there. I'm actually going to go ahead, I'm going to get a small, it's like a grinding wheel that you put on the end of a drill and just clean this up a little bit better. It's not necessary, but if you have it, go ahead and do it, because you want this surface as clean as possible before you put the JB Weld on. I'm going to hit it here too. So it's a little steel wheel, goes right into the drill. You can pick these up from any Home Depot, any Lowe's, Ace Hardware, any local hardware store you have in your town. Make sure you wear safety goggles when you do this. I can't stress that enough. Wear safety goggles when you do this. I know a guy who had an automotive shop and he got a little piece of steel in his eye, and now his eye is infected and he's almost lost all vision in his left eye. So it's no joke. No joke. I actually use this when I'm doing stuff. And if you want to double up, even better. Scuffed up this area right here. Just went all the way around. Scuffed this up. Got most of the rust off. I'll hit it again with some brake cleaner, clean it up just one more time. The same thing here. Like I said earlier before, just make sure you know which way is up on your outer ring when you put it onto the inner circle here. Alright, I'm going to use this old air filter box that I have to mix up the JB Weld. So instructions are: prepare clean repair area of dirt, grease, oil, paint, etc., rust, etc. Squeeze equal parts from each tube into a disposable surface and mix thoroughly. Apply with appropriate tool and even coat. Weld bead or extruded shape as needed. Then sets in 4 to 6 hours, cures in 15 to 24.
Where's my analogy, Daddy? Oh, my shoes! I didn't get my shoes.
That's probably too much, but hey, rather too much than not enough. This stuff was only 10 bucks. I'm just use this as a stir for packaging. And it's a nice clear gray color, an even gray clear color I should say. That's when you know you're ready to rock. Okay, it looks like a nice creamy gray color. I think we're ready to rock and roll. So take the JB Weld. Okay, got it all on the inner one. We're getting the outer ring. We'll have to pivot it around to the correct spot. Just moving it so it matches up with the spray paint. There we go. Make sure that's all the way down. Just going around here. Let's get some extra. Put it into the crevice. So there you go, guys. Let this dry for 24 hours. Okay. Now leave it upside down to dry the way I press it on, so gravity helps. I'm actually going to put this in the sun. Hopefully it'll dry faster.